Welcome to this step-by-step explanation of the Forever Living Products Marketing Plan. We're excited for the opportunity to share with you the most profitable compensation plan in the industry. A plan designed to reward those who want to build an income for their present needs and their future security, and who are willing to work in an ethical environment to make it happen. Our plan is based upon three fundamental principles. The first is use and share marketing, where you use the products yourself and share your experiences with others. Next is compounding of effort, giving you the opportunity to vastly increase your earnings by sponsoring others into the business. Finally is the principle of being in business for yourself but not by yourself, which gives you the help and support of others worldwide who are just as interested in your success as you are. In this training module, we will explain the personal discount, the retail profit, NDP profit, personal bonus, and group bonus portions of the marketing plan. First, let's explain how we measure sales volume. In FLP, our sales volume is measured in case credits. Each product has an assigned case credit value, and since your activity is reflected by your purchases, these case credit values are accumulated as the product is purchased to determine advancement in the marketing plan, as well as qualification for other incentives. On becoming a distributor, you purchase product directly from the company at a 15% discount. In addition, when your retail clients order product via your company-linked personal website, the company pays you a profit of 15% of the retail price. When your personal and retail volume equals 2 case credits within any 2 consecutive calendar month period, you become wholesale qualified, and your personal discount and retail profit both increase permanently to 30% of the retail price. You also have the privilege of sponsoring others as distributors who develop retail clients. You can profit by the personal and retail activity of these distributors. When your directly sponsored distributors or their retail clients order product, the company sends you an NDP profit of 15% of the retail value. This profit, along with any retail customer profit, is deposited into your bank account every 10 days. When the distributors become wholesale qualified, this NDP profit no longer is paid to you. However, their volume continues to benefit you in the form of level advancements and bonuses. You can increase your earnings by qualifying for higher positions in the marketing plan: assistant supervisor, supervisor, assistant manager, and manager. To help you advance, the case credits of your marketing groups are combined with your personal case credits, and when you accumulate the required case credits for a position, you are automatically moved up. Case credits for position move-up are accumulated during the current and previous calendar months. One of the great advantages of our marketing plan is that once you qualify for any level, you can never revert to a lower level. You never need to worry about maintaining volume in order to maintain your level. You qualify for the level of assistant supervisor when you and your group accumulate 2 case credits within any 2 consecutive calendar month period. For example, if you and your downline distributors generated 1 case credit in January and another case credit in February, you would be promoted to assistant supervisor. Of course, you don't have to wait for 2 months. You can generate the necessary case credits in 1 month, or in 1 day for that matter. In fact, we encourage our distributors to get started with a Touch of Forever combo pack, which carries a value of 2 case credits. By purchasing a combo, you become wholesale qualified, and you would have the volume necessary to move up to the assistant supervisor level. In addition, the pack is discounted to less than the total wholesale cost of the individual items it contains, so it makes a more economical way to start your business. As an assistant supervisor, you receive a bonus on all your personal activity after you moved up. This is called a personal bonus and is equal to 5% of the suggested retail price of your personal activity as reflected by the orders you place in your own name and the orders placed online by your retail customers. One of the great advantages of the FLP plan is that all bonuses are based on the suggested retail price. As you teach the distributors in your network to do as you have done, they will sponsor new distributors and your network grows. When you and your group accumulate 25 case credits in 2 consecutive months or less, you are automatically advanced to the level of supervisor, and you receive an 8% bonus on all your personal and retail volume generated thereafter. The duplication process you started naturally repeats itself. Your network grows and the volume increases, and when your group generates 75 case credits within a 2 consecutive month period, you advance to the position of assistant manager. Your bonus on your personal and retail volume increases to 13%. The growth of your distributor network continues to increase, and when the volume accumulates to 120 case credits within 2 consecutive months, you become a manager and start earning an 18% bonus on your personal and retail volume. So far, we have described bonuses that you earn as a result of your personal and retail volume. Now let's explain how you receive bonuses based upon the volume of the other distributors in your group. You can receive these bonuses after you have earned the level of assistant supervisor. These bonuses are determined by the level achieved by the distributors who are sponsored directly to you. For example, if you were at the manager level and had a new distributor sponsored directly to you, you would receive an 18% bonus on the volume of that new distributor and everyone sponsored under him. If you had an assistant supervisor sponsored directly to you, you would receive a 13% bonus on the volume of that assistant supervisor and his group. If you had a supervisor, you would receive a 10% bonus, and if you had an assistant manager, you would receive a 5% bonus on that network. In a similar way, assistant managers earn a bonus of 13% on their directly sponsored new distributors, 8% on their directly sponsored assistant supervisor networks, and 5% on their supervisor networks. Supervisors receive a bonus of 8% on their new distributor and 3% on their assistant supervisor networks. Assistant supervisors earn a 5% bonus on their new distributor networks. There are various requirements to receive these bonuses. For example, in order to receive a bonus on your personal orders, the only requirement is that you place an order in your name. To receive a bonus on your distributor's orders, there are no requirements on your part. After you reach the level of supervisor, in order to qualify to receive bonuses on your assistant supervisors, supervisors, and assistant managers' orders, you must be active with 4 case credits of personal and new distributor activity during the month. The 4 case credits that qualify you as active during the month are accumulated from 3 sources: purchases made by you, by your retail clients, and the purchases made by your personally sponsored distributors who are at the distributor level. Included in the 4 case credit total, at least 1 case credit must come from you and your retail clients. To the end of this training segment. Now we invite you to answer the following multiple choice questions to test your understanding of this portion of the marketing plan. After making your selection, click on the Submit button to see if you are correct. Advance to a new level. For what period can a distributor accumulate case credits? What amount is used to calculate all FLP bonuses? Who receives the NDP profit on new distributor price orders? When can a person begin sponsoring others? Does a person become wholesale qualified? How many active case credits are required in order to qualify for bonuses on your assistant supervisor, supervisor, and assistant manager groups?